Hi, today we're proud to introduce the first LensVid design product. After a year and a half of work and several prototypes, we're finally ready with a mini L-shaped plate kit. So first, what is this product and what challenges was it designed to overcome? When building camera rigs or connecting together various accessories, you sometimes need to mount components in a particular way. Enter our mini L-plate. It is small enough to fit in almost any kit, includes RE pins and has different connecting options to allow it to mount to almost any rig. Before we start, let's take a closer look at what you get in the box. Inside you will find two mini L-shaped mount plates, 4 3/8/16 screws, and a flat screwdriver. The mini L-plate has three important features. Let's take a closer look at each of them. To prevent twisting, the mini L-plate has two retractable RE pins on each side. If the part that you're connecting to does not have RE pin holes, you still have the silicone coating on the plate that will add some level of friction. Arguably, the most important feature of the mini L-plate is the way that it connects to other objects. We created the unit in such a way that it can be attached to any type of industry standard gear using either a 1/4" 20 or 3/8/16 screws. The first comes as default with the mini L-plate, and the second comes as two replacement screws along with a small flathead screwdriver. If you wish, you can also choose not to use male screws and use one or both sides of the mini L-plate with female connectors, either the built-in 3/8/16 or 1/4" 20 with the provided mini adapters, making the mini L-plate even more versatile. Another small but important feature of the mini L-plate is the 45-degree angle, which allows the user to create just over 1.5 centimeters of distance between the objects that are being connected and preventing them from touching each other and getting in the way while still maintaining a low profile. Here are some examples of how you can use the mini L-shaped plate. The mini L-shaped plate helped us create different types of setups and rigs, and we are sure that other users can come up with ideas that we didn't even consider. If you have some examples, please share them with us below. Finally, the small rig and LensVid mini L-shaped plate kit is currently available for under $30, and you can find out more information in the link below.